Jai Gurudev, good morning student. So today in our video we will start with the question 4th. L and M are two parallel lines. So you can see here this line. This line is L and this line is M. So they are parallel to each other. Are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines. So they are getting intersected by another pair of parallel line P and Q. So this is 2. L parallel to M and P parallel to Q are the two given concept. We have to show triangle ABC. We have to show triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. This we have to show. Now we start with the given L is parallel to M, L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q. To prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Now proof we will start. Now we have to show three element equal. So first step will be in triangle ABC and triangle CDA. It is already given. If P is parallel to Q, that means AB is parallel to CD. And if we are considering AC as a transversal, then angle 1 and angle 2, angle 1 here and angle 2, they will be alternate angle. They will be alternate angle. So the angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 alternate interior angle. Now what I am taking, M is parallel to L. Now M parallel to L. M, L and M are parallel. And if we are considering AC as a transversal, so this angle 3 and angle 4, they will be alternate interior angles. So angle 3 equal to angle 4, same reason alternate interior angle. So already two element we have shown equal. Now third AC, it is common side in both the triangle ABC and CDA. So AC equal to AC common side. So triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle CDA. Now by which test? Now consider triangle ABC. Angle, side, angle. So it is ASA. So ASA test. Student, question 5th. Line L is a bisector of angle A. Line L, this is the line L. It is a bisector of angle A. Means it divide the angle A into two angle of equal measure. That means here you can see angle 1 and angle 2. So they will be equal. Okay. Then second one, B is any point on L. So B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendicular from B to the arm of angle A. Now BP and BQ are perpendicular from B to the arm of A. So that means it is perpendicular to AQ and AP. That means this angle Q and P are 90 degree. Okay, because BP and BQ are perpendicular. Then we have to show first one, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. So we have to show three element of this two triangle is equal. Then BP equal to BQ or B is equidistant from the arm of angle A. If these two triangle are congruent, then we can easily show BP equal to BQ by 3P CT. Now we will start with the given L is a bisector of angle A. That means angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle Q is equal to angle P 90 degree. To prove now, already it is given triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB and BP equal to BQ. Proof first one, in triangle. Now a triangle name is already given. So in triangle APB and triangle AQB, angle PC, triangle APB and triangle AQB, angle P is equal to angle Q given is 90 degree. Then L is a bisector of angle A. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay. In PPP, okay, it is given. Then the third one, which is unknown. So third one is nothing but the side here. AB, it is common to both the triangles. So AB equal to AB common side. That is triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Now which test? Consider one triangle ABQ. So this is angle. Okay. So angle side. Angle side, that is AS test. Now second one, BP is equal to BQ. BP and BQ. BP is a part of triangle APB and BQ is a part of the triangle ABQ. So they both are equal by CPCT, corresponding pair of congruent triangle. Now question 6, in figure 7.21, AC is equal to AB. So student, AC is equal to AB and AB is equal to AD, and triangle BAD where which I have number as 1 is equal to triangle EAC which I have number as 2. We have to show BC is equal to DE. Given, as already I told, AC equal to AE, AB equal to AD, angle BAD which we have numbered 1 and angle EAC number 2 is equal. To prove BC is equal to D. Now student, you can see the figure. We have to prove BC is equal to D. Now BC, you can see this, BC is a part of triangle BAC. BAC triangle में आता है BC side, okay, and second side that is DE which I haven't drawn, so I will just join this. Now DE is a part of a triangle AD. If we are showing ABC is congruent to ADE, then BC will be equal to DE by CPCT. यानी हमें ये जो प्रूफ करना है वो मिल जाएगा बाय CPCT से. So let us see whether we can show ABC and ADE congruent or not. In ABC, AB, see, you can see that is single dash, and in ADE, AD are equal. Similarly, in ABC, AC and in ADE, AE both are equal. Mean two element is already given equal. And we can see angle 1 is equal to angle 2. लेकिन ये जो ट्राइंगल है BAC, इसमें पूरा एंगल आता है, यानी टोटल एंगल BAC, एंड BAC एंगल कंसिस्ट ऑफ 1 + 3, but here already only given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly in DAE, total angle, this total angle A is coming which is angle 2 plus angle 3, लेकिन यहाँ हमें angle 1 और angle 2 दिया हुआ है, यानी दोनों में क्या मिसिंग है, angle 3, इसलिए हम एंगल 3 दोनों में ऐड करेंगे. सो नाउ इन प्रूफ एंगल 1 इक्वल टू एंगल 2 इट इज गिवन. नाउ ऐड एंगल 3 टू बोथ साइड बिकॉज आई वांट दिस BAC एंगल शुड बी इक्वल टू DAE. सो एंगल 1 और एंगल 3 we will add to both sides. So angle 1 plus angle 3 will be equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Now angle 1 plus angle 3, angle 1 plus angle 3. Okay, this I am drawing angle 1 plus angle 3. This will give us the full angle BAC. Okay, and angle 2 plus angle 3 will give me full angle DAE. That is why angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. Give the equation number 1. Now start which two triangle we will consider. We will consider triangle BAC and triangle DAE. Now in triangle BAC and triangle DAE, AC is equal to AE given. Then from the first, this one, angle BAC is equal to angle DAE, form 1. And the third element will be AB equal to AD. That is given again. We have shown 3 elements. That is why triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DAE by this side, angle sides. So by SAS test. And we have to actually show BC equal to D. So BC and DE is nothing but corresponding side of this two congruent triangle which we have shown just now as congruent. So BC equal to DE by CPCT. Student, now question 7. AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. So AB is a line segment, P is a midpoint. That means AP is equal to BP. Okay. And D and E are the point on the same side of AB. D and E are the point on the same side of AB. So D and E are on the same side of AB. That is the rule. Okay. Then such that angle BAD means angle 1. Okay, and angle ABE, that is angle 2. So angle 1 and angle 2, they are equal. It is given. Then EPA and angle DPB, they are also equal, which is I have denoted by angle 3 and 4. Similarly, angle A and B I have denoted by angle 1 and angle 2. So first of all we have to show triangle DAP. Triangle DAP is congruent to EBP. So already angle 1 is equal to angle 2, AP is equal to BP, 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. But in this triangle APD, which we have to show congruent, whole angle this P is coming, that is angle 3 plus angle 5. Similarly in EBP, whole angle P is coming, that is 4 plus 5. That means angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So we have to add angle 5 to each of angle 3 and angle 4. Okay. So we have to show DAP is congruent to triangle EBP and AD equal to BU. We can show by CPC. Now proof angle 3 is equal to angle 4 given. Now add angle 5 to both sides, which I have added afterward. I have written with pencil. So here angle 3, I added angle 5 equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. Now angle 3 plus angle 5. Angle 3 plus angle 5 is nothing but angle APD, and angle 4 plus 5 is nothing but angle BPE. Now in next page, okay, that is question 7th only, we have to show triangle APD and triangle BPE as congruent. So already it is given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So here see, you can see angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay. Second part is AP equal to BP. So you can see here P is a midpoint, so AP equal to BP. Third one, angle APD is equal to angle BPE from this. We are given equation 1 which we solved initially. So it is 1. So from 1, so triangle APD is congruent to triangle BPE by, this is angle side angle, so by ASA test. Second part was AD equal to BU, we have to show. So AD and BE are the part of the corresponding side of the triangle, these two triangles. So AD will be equal to B by CPCT.